Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be speaking about the app ProductTube, and ProductTube is for anyone who enjoys apps that make a little money while on your phone. I know a couple of them. I'm going to do a video about that, but anyway, the $10 you see here is what I earned and I can redeem, but I wanted to leave it there to show you all while I explain this. So they have what's called projects, and they're in different categories as you see, and they'll show you the amount before you even apply. They range anywhere from $5, $10, $15, $20. I was only disqualified from one at the top and rewarded for one that I did. The rest of them, they closed on me because they're about upper adult respiratory issues, and I just got over a flu. I'm not dealing with that, nor do I need that. But they do pay more for those, as you see. So I earned $10, and how it works, they wanted me to go on my local grocery store and record the groceries and do some narrating and talking. I basically did a voiceover like I'm doing now, so that may help some of you who do not want to go in the store and actually have to talk while you're in there to yourself. This is my profile. They will ask you questions: your date of birth, your zip code, are you male or female, your phone number, they will need your race, they ask, and they also want to know the income of your household. How many people are in your household? Do you have any children or any pets? You don't have to update a photo of yourself. I just wanted to include a selfie of myself on there. I do that on every app that I'm on. My profile is on 93% complete, so do not feel like you have to complete your entire profile. They still gave me projects that I can do to earn money within about 2 to 3 days after joining, and I've only been on there about maybe 5 days now. The picture you're looking at is a screenshot of when I had $0 balance in my account before I went to the store and recorded my project. I want to mention there's a deadline date that you see here they're giving me. It was on the 13th of February, and complete it by that date in order to get your money before the project closes. I do want to be as helpful as possible, so I'm going to show every detail that I possibly can. They do ask you to qualify first, and then you would apply. They show you the money that you would earn ahead of time, as you see on this screenshot. When you hit qualify, there's going to be a screen of instructions that are very confusing, so read every detail, and it's also going to show you the closing date of when you have to be done recording and uploading, and the price that you'll earn when you're done. Here's a screenshot of my video being uploaded. I chose to do one video that was 2 minutes long, but they do have an option where you can upload it to YouTube if you're having problems, or you can just upload it into pieces, like record a little bit here and there and just upload small pieces within the app. What I didn't like was that they do not tell you how long they want your video to be, so it's pretty much a guessing game. I'm hoping my video will help you all. I chose to do a 2-minute and 6-second video. It didn't take too long for me to wait for my video to finish compressing and upload in their system. Once I was done, I got this little notification saying that it was uploaded successfully. At first I was worried while waiting, but they did send me an email saying that I had been rewarded $10 and I could redeem it in their app, and this was the next morning after I uploaded the video to them. This is what you will see when you are uploading a video. That's just a screenshot from mine. So they will tell you to upload in the right hand corner, and then there's a button that says add more on the left. Add more is for people who want to put like small clips of each aisle that they're doing. I chose to do a 2-minute long video and just put everything all together, and I edited it with InShot app. So I recommend that if you want to do a voiceover instead of talking in the store. My final tip is if you want to do a voiceover, speak as if you are there talking, not that you got home later and talked over a silent video. For example, I would say this is 99 cents, this item that I'm holding, not this was 99 cents like I went home and spoke on it later. That little tip is what worked for me because I saw another woman's video, but she did not go into details about how to use this app for those of us that are new. And a lot of people in the comments were telling her that they did not want to talk in the store. So I'm telling you, you can do a voiceover and get approved and get your money. Just follow my tip. Finally, I'm about to show you all the video that they accepted from me. I do want to mention for the last time, in the store, I recorded a silent, quiet video and I got home and recorded my voice over it. It's probably not going to seem like it because I'm good at editing, but I promise you guys my voice was added later. So take a look. Hi, it's February 9th. I'm at Walmart and this is my shopping list. I need water, pop, pizza, chicken, smoked sausage, ranch dressing, pasta, mac and cheese, potato chips, and brown rice. So while I'm in this aisle where they sell these packets that you put into your water and you basically make your own juice, I stumble across this little end section here where they have this energy drink section. And I happen to like energy drinks, specifically Red Bull, but I come across this Mountain Dew Energy. It's cherry lime flavor. It has immune support and mental boost. I like that it's only 25 calories, but I'm not a fan of the fact that it has 180 milligrams of caffeine. That is a little too much for me and my family. I don't want to give us something with that much caffeine in it, so I am going to pass. And I am actually going to be getting one of these packets that is from this brand True Lemon. This section with the little Huggies juices and the Kool-Aid brand is where I normally shop for juice. I'm browsing the potato chip aisle. As you can see, I have chips on my list. I did end up picking cheddar chips and some wavy chips from Lay's. However, I see that there's an unexpected clearance section in the back here where they keep several other groceries that are marked down to 50 cents, some are 25 cents, and $1. There's a pretty good like variety to choose from, but this barbecue sauce is what caught my eye. I really like that it is $1 and it's from a brand that I never heard of, and the calories are pretty low. I would be interested in trying it. So while looking for rice in this section where they keep the canned goods, there is a end little cart shelf here that has these salsas from Herdez brand, which I'm definitely familiar with. I like to use them when I'm making tacos, and I see that this one has guacamole flavor in it, which I love, and the heat level is medium, so I'm actually interested in this for tacos that I have to cook. So the last thing, I have a coupon for Doritos soda, and I love the fruit punch, but my coupon is saying I need to buy 5. They're 98 cents, which is a good price, but unfortunately I'm gonna pass. So that's all for this video. So that's it, you guys. I'm done with this video. I'm about to go redeem my free money. If you have any questions, ask them in my comments and subscribe.